Okay, first you want to go to your Google Drive app. Once here you have several options. Let's explore the first ones. Click New. You have several options here. One of the best ones is the scan option, where you can scan any picture. Take a picture, click Done, and save as PDF file. Perfect. Another option is you can click Anew, upload any picture. I'm going to upload this picture here. Once it's uploaded, you can open it, click on these three dots, go to Print, click on these three dots, and save as PDF. Click Save. You can also convert existing docs and sheets to PDF. Let's try it with a doc. Once you open it, simply click these three dots, Share and Export, Save As, and select PDF file. And there you have it. It would be the exact same process with a sheet.